Come with us as we travel to Los Churros. It's a natural pool about 20 minutes from San Salvador. The pool is cool and refreshing, and the natural waters make it an amazing way to spend your day.
Se llama Los Churros.
The natural spring waters make it an amazing way to refresh yourselves, get away from the heat. It's also fun to watch the locals dance, and they have an amazing restaurants that you can buy food. And then they have a pool and slide for the kids or just for family fun. So we hope you enjoy.